over 20 years, we have dedicated ourselves to building dental practices that take efficiency, productivity, and comfort to new levels. Our design approach pulls from lean production techniques pioneered by Toyota and employs intensely productive and ergonomically healthy delivery equipment. Coupled with a deep understanding of patient psychology, we create environments that are a pleasure to work in, create a more positive patient experience, and provide production per hour levels that are 3 to 4 times the industry average.
Your dental office is so much more than a floor plan. If you think about it for a moment, a dental office needs to function as a highly efficient factory and the most comfortable spa simultaneously, all day, every day. It's about a whole practice solution. And to do that, you really need a team that's aligned to that common goal. Quite frankly, we're the best at that.
It is my job to understand your goals and help you achieve them, because every practice is different. A liaison will guide you through the entire design process.
In 20 years of designing offices and operating our own, we have continually examined and refined the diverse elements that make a practice run smoothly. It's critical to focus on workflow before architecture. This allows us to create the best layout possible. By designing architecture around this flow, we can then create an integrated system that functions seamlessly throughout your entire office. We start with the blocking diagram, a flexible and responsive tool that allows us to design in a conceptual manner. This allows us to create a streamlined flow for all of the interconnected processes in your office and establish a framework for efficiency in your practice. It's like a jigsaw puzzle, but it's a puzzle that will determine your future. There are a lot of variables involved and a high degree of subtlety to how they interconnect. When each piece affects your budget and your potential for success, it's important to get it right. Seemingly minor elements such as where your doctor's office is in relation to your treatment rooms or the proper positioning of a mobile tech bay will have a huge impact on your production and profitability. We've been doing this for decades, and we have perfected the solution to this complex system. Once the layout is established, we start on your floor plan. Here we determine all the components crucial to your success, including treatment room and sterilization details. We design exclusively for the dental industry. We know dentistry because we actually do dentistry at the highest level of productivity. We're familiar with the unique demands of a dental office, and we will ensure your plan addresses all these critical elements accurately.
We were able to not just design and build a building, but we were able to equip it in the most optimal way. And from the very beginning, the blocking diagram, the inception of the idea, to the completion, to even training our staff when we finally moved in about how to really use our new space and how to really, integrate the systems that they helped develop. They were just with me every step of the way. And at this point right now, it was scary at first, but it was the best decision I ever made, and I'm just grateful that our relationship, that we were able to be together. I am such a big believer in their philosophy and the research that they've done and the support that they have every single step of the way. They really helped me not just realize what I wanted my vision to be, but they really helped me achieve it. And again, they were with me every single step of the way. And it's something that I didn't believe was possible 5 years ago is now essentially a dream come true.